This is a tutorial how to do a truss, set up a truss on skyciv. So if you go to this right here, skyciv.com, and I'll put the link in the description, you can draw a truss and it will calculate your forces. So it's a way to do a check when you're doing calculations. So once you have logged into skyciv and you get to this screen, you can pick on the truss frame and launch that, and you get a screen that looks like this. I am going to create one. I took a picture of one here, this guy right here. So this is what I'm going to build. So I'll be referring back to this as I go. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to put nodes, which are the points where I'm at. So I've got the first one that is going to be at 0, 0. I'm going to have the second one is going to be, if you look at this, I'm going to be going over 6, and then I'm going to be going over 18 for my two other nodes at the 0, 0 and the y. Okay, so this is going to be 6 and 0. And the next one is going to be at 18 and 0. And then now I need one at, it is going to be at 6 in the x, and it is going to be 8 right here in the y direction. And those are all the nodes that I need. So now I can go back and I'm going to put in members, and all I got to do is tell I'm going to go from 1 to 2, right? From node 1 to node 2, okay? And apply. There it is. And from 2 to 3, apply. And from 1 to 4, and from 2 to 4, and from 3 to 4. Okay, so now I've got, you can see that's the same as what I had there. And now I go back, and now I need to put my supports. Okay, so I'm going to have a pin and a roller. I didn't draw them on one. I'm going to put a pin on the left side and a roller on the right side. Okay, so I'll put a pin at node 1 and a roller at node 3. So at node 1, I'm going to put a pin, that would be this one, and apply. And then at node 3, I'm going to put a roller, this one here, and apply. And so I've got my supports here. And now I go back, and now I need to put, I'm going to do point loads. So at node, if you look at what I had in my drawing, at node, at this node here, I'm going down with 240 newtons. So that is node 2. I'm going in the, not in the x anything, but in the y with a negative 240, well, kilonewtons. We'll just leave it at kilonewtons, that's fine. Okay, 240 there. And then I have 380 going in the negative x. So at node 4, what was the number? 380. Negative 380 in the x and nothing in the y. Okay, and so that's got that all done. And now what I need to do is I need to click up here, solve, wait for it, click OK. Now this is the free version, so you'll notice there are locks, not many things are available, but I can click, it's a little faint there, but I can click reactions, and hopefully you can see that this would be, these would be my reaction forces. 88 going down, 380 in the, so this would be like 328.8 in the positive y direction, this would be my f sub x would be positive, and this would be a negative, that would be a positive y, and this would be a negative f sub y here. Okay, it's a little faint, sorry. And then to find the member forces, the only thing I got here that's clickable is this. And boom, there you go. So this you can easily see all of your calculations. You've got these are, and the blue ones are in tension, and the red ones are in compression. And so that's a completed force diagram. And so if you, this is a way you don't need any other software because it's all browser based. And so if you're not using MD Solids, if you're familiar with that, you can do that. But this one is browser based. It can be done on any laptop. And so that's how you can find the forces. It's free. You have to do a little sign up for it. But that's that.